Welcome to Rolling Daytona and your chance to win a brand new Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited and a trip for two to the legendary Daytona Bike Week March 7 through 9. Register to win and increase your chances to win every time you come into the dealership by checking in and entering keywords. Pick up one of the limited Rolling USA vouchers, enter the voucher number when registering, and if you win that motorcycle, you'll receive a bonus check for $1,000. Additional prizes include a Rolling USA Dean guitar, Rolling USA swag bags, passes for the Harley-Davidson Museum, Sturgis wristbands, staying at the Full Throttle Saloon's Pappy Hoyle Campground, and more. You can be one of 10 lucky finalists standing on stage with me during the concert Friday night, March the 8th. If you pick the lucky key out of that Harley-Davidson bucket, you will win that Road Glide Limited. The Harley-Davidson Motor Company and this incredible Harley-Davidson dealership, along with Jesse James Bourbon, Eagle Rider, and the VFW organization, are proud to present the 2024 Rolling USA Series. So get into the dealership today, register to win big, because we are Rolling Daytona.